AMF's wide range of home and office magnets can organise and transform your space with no mess or fuss. Our self-adhesive whiteboard magnetic sheets can adhere to any surface and help you to display important information in the office or at home. Give your space some personality with our coloured pin magnets. Their strong hold can secure up to 10 sheets of paper. Use our magnetic tape to secure your shower door shut, or even secure a DIY fly screen. Secure gates to create an enclosed area or keep pets in or out with our magnetic latches. They can also be used to hold doors and gates open, so you can go in and out easily. Magnetic labels are a quick and easy way to organise and label cabinets, shelves and more. Even use them on ferrous metallic appliances. Our powerful hook magnets can transform your space in a matter of minutes. Hang plants, art and more. DIY has never been easier with AMF magnetic home and office magnets. To order, visit our website magnet.com.au.